Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions and today I'm here to explain a ultimate trick that how you can make a 3D text like this and this without using some complex options in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's come to the screen.
Bringing it.
So first of all, take a text layer and write any text which fits for you. I'm using PS. This means Photoshop and adjust it whatever you want. I like this. And adjust the options. After completing this text, double click on the text layer to enter into blending options. Now add some drop shadow. You can click on here, and if you want to pick any color, whatever you want, simply click on the color icon, whatever you want. So I'm okay with this and hit OK. Now we have to add an image. So I will use this. When you add the image, go to the text layer and hold the controller command key. Hold the controller command key to make a selection of this text. And after the selection, click on the image layer and then click on the mask, and it converted the text into layer mask. After completing this, you have to select any of these two layers and drag the mouse or hit the arrows key left or right. So like this. And friends, our text is look like this. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you.